do it. Out here with Tim, like Upper Brewers, Wyoming. What's this whole area called, like this mountain? It's the Wind River.
Yeah, we're just above Lander in the Wind River.
Up above Lander in the Wind Rivers, if you can't hear him. Hopefully you guys can hear him. But... And this trail is called Brewers. We're on the upper section. It's kind of got an upper, lower, and a middle. Yeah. Technically our second time today because I forgot to push the record button. And so we decided to do a little counterclockwise loop. Yeah. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah, a little rock drop. Oh, nice. Today's guide, Tim, he moved out to Wyoming, which is like 45 minutes from here. Out in God's country. Oh, beautiful view of the lake right here. Yeah, nice. Check that out. That's a beaut. Beauty right there. So pretty up here, man. So pretty. Oh man. How beautiful is this, guys? Should have brought my fishing pole. Oh, there's one up and over. Yeah, got it. Nice. Oh, there's like a rock roll here, Tim, or something. Oh, yeah, that's fun. It's kind of like a little sideways roll. Looking for those sneaky lines, the local only lines. Yeah. Nice little roll. Good job, trail builders. Optional feature. Thumbs up. Yeah. Nice. Super cool. Got the trails all to ourselves. Tim, Claire, and the bears. We are in bear country, so I'm hoping you guys don't see one, because I don't want to see one either. No offense. This is gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, damn it, Claire. I sucked. Hang on. That's what happens when you don't look ahead, people. Tim went up, and I wasn't ready. My bad. My bad. Tim did good. Claire did bad. Good job, Tim. Sorry. I was not looking. I was looking at like my tire for something, and I looked up and you went up and I was not ready. It's a lesson in why you want to look ahead when you're riding. They did a good job how they like naturally wind this through.
It's so good, man. Like,
All right, so you got to go across the bridge and then a dog leg left a little. We are still on Upper Brewers. This wouldn't be a bad ride on a regular bike either. At least Brewers wouldn't.
no, that's where I rode it. I rode it on my regular bike. There's a section up here in the little ways that kind of sucks, but
We are on the e-bikes because we were doing a bunch of other riding today.
dude, how cool is this trail though? Come on, dude.
It's pretty badass. Ooh, little hopper. Yeah. Just beautiful. Which lake was this again? Fry Lake. So on our right is Fry Lake. This is cool. This like path in between on the ridge. Like, it's like a storybook almost. Like the Yellow Brick Road, or I don't know what you want to call it. But like, just this little path. Oh, it's beautiful out here. One of those trails you never know whether you can sit down or not. You're like, can I sit down or no? Keeps you on your toes.
I'm telling you, there's some sections in there.
Little bench there. Just like,
It looks like people are riding that.
I don't know.
It looks like somebody's awesome.
Like a up to. Huh. Let me get some water and stuff before we start barreling this one.